Hey guys, Tyler here from Patient Excel. In this video, we're going to cover everything that you need to know about running successful Facebook ad campaigns for your dental clinic so you can actually see a profit. Whether you own a dental practice and you're already running advertisements, or you're a dentist that's looking to advertise on Facebook, this video is packed with all the essential information you need to make your marketing efforts a success. Let's go ahead and dive into the first step. First, it's crucial to conduct a thorough competitor analysis to ensure profitability. You need to understand what your competitors are offering so you can stand out in the marketplace with a compelling offer and showcase your expertise. Focus on identifying the types of creatives they use, their promotional strategies, the offers they present, and how their landing pages are structured. This will give you a clear picture on the competition and help you pinpoint areas where you can excel. You might be wondering, how do we actually conduct a proper competitor analysis? Well, let me show you right now. So the Meta Ad Library is the tool that we're going to be using. It is a completely free tool and it's very useful to determine the competitors that are in your market that are actually advertising on Meta. So for the ad category, we're just going to press all ads and then you can search keywords. So we'll go ahead and just do dental implants in Florida. As you can see, there's 170 results. And right off the bat, we can already see like an offer that this dental practice is offering. So this is 215 per month per arch. And as you can see, included is a complete oral evaluation, CT scans, extractions, bone grafting, up to 7 implants per arch. As you can see, this is everything that's actually included within the package, and then the free consultation and the price per month per arch. And we can go ahead and assess the creative and the landing page right now. So as you can see, this creative is obviously a stock image, but I feel like this actually might perform okay considering that it is just so straightforward and also has the price on it. So that's going to qualify the budget of the potential lead right off the bat. If they do opt in, they know that it's going to be $215 a month minimum. But then also the ad is showing all on 4 implants. So obviously, if a patient is opting into this, they already can see what the treatment is. And if they're already educated on the treatment, they have a potential of being a quality lead. Now, there are improvements that you can make with ads with the specific ad, to be honest, like having a personalized ad, but we'll go ahead and jump into that later. So their landing page is so far decent. It's not horrible. What I would say that we could improve would be adding educational content on this landing page and then also making a lead form that's actually visible. For example, you need to press on this and then their qualification process is only a full name and phone number, so the leads actually might not be that good of quality. And then also there's just not that much trust building here, meaning they're not showing too much about the practice or the doctor. And yeah, this landing page honestly has a lot of room for improvement. But this is how we conduct a competitor analysis. So as you can see, you can scroll down and see the creatives that people are running, the videos, patient testimonial videos, and this is how you can actually conduct a proper competitor analysis so you know what to offer within your practice. So now we'll actually go ahead and jump into how to craft a winning offer. So after seeing what all your competitors are currently offering, it's now time to create your own unique and winning offer that stands out within your marketplace. So to do this, we need to put ourselves in the patient's shoes and understand what they would actually want to see within the offer. So a strong offer includes several key elements such as industry expertise, social proof such as testimonials and Google reviews, a clear breakdown of what's included within your service package. For example, this could include a no-cost consultation, free teeth whitening, implant warranties, and more. By addressing what your patients truly value, you'll create a compelling and irresistible offer, and that's exactly what we need in order to stand out from our competition. So it's time to understand what type of creative you'll need to run in order to be profitable. Each market is different, so testing is essential. For dental practices, the top performing creatives include educational or informative video ads, personalized video ads featuring the practice and staff, viral style TikTok ads, specific offer video focused ads, and patient testimonial video ads. And then, of course, personalized image ads. So the main goal with modern creatives is to build trust and authority within your ads. You need to convey expertise, reliability, trustworthiness, and approachability. While it's important to test a variety of creatives to find out what works best, these 6 types have proven effectiveness inside the dental industry. However, simply launching an ad campaign and hoping for the best is not enough. You'll need to continuously test and optimize your creatives, campaigns, and landing pages. One campaign with one creative will simply just not be enough to ensure profitability. If you want real success, it requires daily optimizations and testings. So here are a couple creative examples. This is for implants specifically, and this takes an informative and educational approach. So let's go ahead and take a look. We'll show about 10 seconds of each video just so we can get a better understanding of what we actually are looking for.
This video is for anyone considering getting full arch dental implants or any type of dental implant. And they're wondering, how do I qualify my dental implant surgeon? How do I know?
So we like to test long creatives. As we can see, this is an 8-minute video, and we also like to test short creatives. So for example, this video is only 2 minutes and 40 seconds, which is still quite lengthy for an ad on Facebook. But then we have other shorter ones that are about a minute long. So we'll go ahead and watch the first 10 seconds of these advertisements as well. But these are the advertisements that we actually implement for our partners. So we actually have already fully in-house recorded advertisements that are really proven to work. They're educational and informative. And what we really strive to do is have a mix of informative and educational with personalized content as well. So this works really well if you already have built out YouTube video assets or even just any marketing content assets in general, because we'll advertise informative and educational content with personalized content to build trust and authority, as well as educating the leads before they even opt in. This works really well because the patients are getting educated and building trust with your practice because they can see the doctor and the staff. But when they see one of our ads that's very informative, they have a lot of education prior to even becoming a lead. So they're already a little bit more pre-qualified, and then we'll do the rest with the qualification process when they actually become a lead. But let's go ahead and just take a 10-second look at this ad so you guys can get a better understanding.
Getting dental implant treatment, you definitely want to know this. Did you know that dental implants are tax deductible? Yes.
So as you can see with our hook, we're just instantly hooking the audience, and that's exactly what we want to do. So we're hitting them with curiosity right off the bat, and that's why these ads are so profitable. And we have a bunch. These are just a couple that I'm showing you, but let's go ahead and take a look at the next one.
3 ways we save our patients thousands of dollars.
So I know I said 10 seconds, but right at 2 seconds and 3 seconds, we're already hitting them with a crazy hook, meaning we can save you thousands of dollars on your implants. So potential patients already want to watch this, but let's go ahead and watch about 7 more seconds.
And unnecessary additional charges for their dental implant treatment. Number 1 is we include the extraction of.
So this, we're going right to the point. This is only a 1-minute creative. So we test a variety of long form and short form. We even have shorter videos and we have longer videos than this. But like I said, these are just 3 examples. And this is just really what you want to do when you're actually launching an implant advertisement. You want to have educational and informative content mixed with personalized content as well. That's really going to be able to have a great ROI for your dental implant campaigns. And if, say, for Invisalign, you really just need to have your special and they'll perform pretty well if you have a good offer. But even educational for Invisalign and informative, and then also personalized video ads for Invisalign specials are really good and they perform really well. So when it comes to optimizing your funnel for the lowest cost acquisition, you'll have several options. These include messenger funnels, where the potential patient can direct message your office, landing page forms, which are typically the best for generating high quality leads and achieving the highest conversion rates, traditional Facebook lead forms, which keep the users on Facebook, and call ads, where patients can contact your practice directly after seeing the ad. Generally, landing pages tend to be the best option as they often drive the highest quality leads and conversions. However, this can vary depending on your location. It's always a good practice to test and compare different funnel methods to see which one delivers the best cost per acquisition. Don't stick with traditional landing pages if in-app forms are driving more patients at a lower cost with better efficiency. When it comes to tracking, it's essential to understand which metrics you need to focus on to determine the profitability of your campaigns. So some key KPIs that you should be tracking are CPM, which means how much you're paying for 1,000 impressions, CPLC, which means cost per link click, cost per lead, cost per qualified lead, cost per appointment, cost per show, call answer rate, which means how many calls are you making and what's the answer rate of these leads that are picking up. Of course, the show rate, booking rate, cost per acquisition, return on ad spend, and speed to lead. So you can take a screenshot if you want to have this just for your tracking purposes, because these are really the main KPIs, like I said, that need to be tracked while running Facebook ads, because this will really determine the profitability of your campaign. And tracking these metrics not only helps you evaluate the campaign performance, but it also reveals the bottlenecks within your campaign, and then you can optimize your campaign to make it even more profitable. So obviously, as a practice owner, you know that to effectively oversee your business at a high level, the numbers are essential. And this is especially true when it comes to marketing. So you definitely need to make sure that you're tracking these main metrics in order to assure profitability. Now, remember, if you really want to make money with your advertising, these are the steps that you're going to have to follow. And there's really no ifs, ands, or buts. So after selecting the appropriate funnel, the next step is to qualify the leads that you're generating. Typically, landing pages provide the most motivated and qualified leads, as I said before, as they allow the prospects to learn more about the treatment that they're looking for, your practice, and the doctor. On the other hand, native Facebook lead forms can prompt autofill, where leads can simply press a button and all their information is automatically populated. While this convenience can result in more leads, it often leads to less qualified prospects. So now let's take a look at an example of a landing page. This particular page still has room for improvement, which I'll point out, but I'll also highlight what's working well. Keep in mind that your landing page should have a secure domain. Ideally, use your practice's website domain with a dedicated path for the landing page, or purchase a new domain altogether to ensure that the patients feel secure when providing their contact information. So now let's go ahead and take a look at an actual landing page example. So right off the bat, I do like that the contact information is right in front of the prospect's face right when they get onto the landing page. I do like that there's a video. Let's see what the video is about.
No one can fix that.
So this is trying to build trust with the patients. I do like that. Um, I feel like there could be a little bit more informational content, unless this is. I think this might just be. Yeah, so this right off the bat is a video trying to build trust, which is good, and showing the practice, so it's more personalized content. Now, what I do think would be really good is putting a little bit of educational content on this landing page, meaning videos, specifically video educational content. I do like the fact that they're putting real Google reviews, so that's always good. Um, a little bit about the practice and the doctors. That's good. Now, it is a little bland, meaning there's not that much informational content on this landing page. But the fact that the contact form is right in front of the prospect's face, it makes it really easy for them to fill it out. Let's just go ahead and see if there's anything else that we need to fill out. So there is a little quiz. There's only 5 questions on this quiz. So this is just a new patient exam advertisement and landing page. So it's not an implant landing page, but this is a good example of a decent landing page. So this is good where they're saying we're located at this specific location. So now the prospect's actually knowing where they're located and making a commitment to see if they're actually able to travel to the practice for their appointment. That's an example of a good landing page, I would say. It actually has a lot of room for improvement. Like I said, we really need to put educational content if we're going for implants. But for a new patient special advertisement, that's actually really all you need for a landing page. So now let's go ahead and take a look at qualifying implant patients with a landing page quiz. So here's an example of a qualifying quiz that would go on a landing page for implants. So when running an implant campaign, it's essential to include a type of qualifying quiz like this to further assess the lead's commitment, also the quality of the patient. So as we can see, it still wants the full name, email, phone number, and then the postal code or zip code. This is good though, where it says what currently best describes your mouth condition and if you're missing any teeth. So it's really taking them through a really long quiz about just learning about the patient's current situation. And then we also get into some financing where it's asking about the credit score and also their monthly payment budget for implants, which is good. And then also just letting the patient know that dental implants are currently not covered by insurance. So this is an example of a qualifying quiz specifically for implants. So on a landing page for implants, you want to have a lot of educational content so the patient is pre-educated before they walk into your clinic. But we'll have a whole nother video on how to actually form the best type of landing page for implants. But for this is just really setting up campaigns and launching them and how to be successful with your ad campaigns. So we do have a video where we completely built out an ad campaign in Facebook. So I'll go ahead and link that video in the description. Also have a little pop-up and you can just watch that. And that's actually us going inside of the ads manager within Meta and setting up a campaign and then actually being able to launch it. So this will have all your A to Z from building out your actual creatives and then your landing page and how to generate the leads. And then that'll show you how to actually launch the campaign within Meta. So make sure to just check that video out so you actually know how to launch your campaign as well. So next thing before we actually launch any campaigns is setting up an automatic email and text messages to confirm that a lead's information has been received. So this confirms that they've successfully submitted a form and gives you the right to actually contact them. So while this is a basic integration, it is absolutely crucial for establishing trust and communication. Below, I just gave you a very easy example of what this looks like. So for example, Carla submitted their information and then they instantly get hit with an email and a text message. And it's very straightforward, but it is once again essential for establishing that communication and trust. Speed to lead is also very important. You should aim to call leads within 5 minutes, ideally within 2 minutes, to increase your answer rate and booking rates. We strongly recommend having a dedicated phone caller specifically for handling the leads generated from advertisements so they can contact prospects as quickly as possible. Ideally, right when the lead comes in. This is a non-negotiable if you want to maximize your ROI from your campaigns. So if you have a designated caller, it's important to set up a simple integration to notify your internal team as soon as a new lead comes through. This way they can reach out immediately and start the conversation right from there. Once again, this is just an example down below where this is what your internal team can receive, where we're just saying the time that they came in, their name, phone number, email, and then the quiz answers, or if it's just information would be down below. But then your team can go ahead and reach out and give them a call and actually get them booked and start the qualification process on the phone. Now, once again, speed to lead is the most crucial part when wanting to generate ROI because if these leads are contacted the next day, they either already found another dentist or completely forgot about you. So you really need to make sure you're calling leads within 5 minutes and ideally 2 minutes. And honestly, it's just fast as possible. So if you can get on the phone within 30 seconds, that's the best. And that's why we really recommend having a designated caller where their whole job is just to call these new leads that are being generated. When it comes to following up with patients, it's essential to set up text message sequences. This helps you keep top of mind, ultimately helping your booking and conversion rates. Remember, it's a numbers game. Not all leads will convert right away, especially since they're cold leads generated through advertising. Nurturing these leads takes time and persistence, but with consistent follow-up, you'll find that many will convert with just a little bit of patience and effort. After all, it is a numbers game and not all leads will convert immediately. If a lead answers the phone on the first call, the caller should take the opportunity to further qualify the lead by reviewing their quiz responses, especially for an implant campaign, while prioritizing the relationship building. This is also the time to gather more details about the potential patient, such as confirming their location, the type of treatment they're seeking, and whether they need financing options. It's crucial to assess their intent to pursue treatment and address dental health concerns. Additionally, incorporating light sales tactics during this call can help create desire for the treatment and increase the likelihood of booking and converting the lead when they come into the practice. So once a patient actually makes their appointment, this is pretty mandatory and this is all internal, but you need to make sure that they're getting text reminders and email reminders at the time of booking 3 days prior to their appointment, the day before their appointment, ideally on phone call and text message, and then, of course, the day of their appointment via text and email. That's very mandatory and that's pretty standard for your internal operations already. So some key takeaways from this video is that you need true daily campaign management. You need attentive media buying that spot winning audiences and winning creatives. You need modern and up-to-date creatives. If you follow everything that I said in this video, 80 to 90% of your success will be coming from the creatives alone. Creatives in 2025 and so on are so big because you really need to actually hook the audience and make them want to watch more. So that has curiosity. You need to build some sort of desire and you need to stand out. Efficient creatives require consistent innovation and you need to stay on top of your optimizations and your management. So these are really the main takeaways in order to be successful with your Facebook ad campaigns. So that's everything that you need to know to run a successful and profitable campaign for your dental clinic. If you're looking for guidance or help, schedule a call with us using the link down below. And also don't forget to check out that video that I linked, and that's going to show us how to actually set up a dental campaign within the ads manager of Facebook. So then you can watch this video and then also have that video and actually launch your campaign from scratch. So with that being said, we'll see you on the next video.